Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're taking a look at one of the most popular ice cream makers on the market right now, the Ninja CREAMi ice cream maker. If you love homemade ice cream, gelato, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls, then this product might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'll explain what the Ninja CREAMi does, its main features, the benefits it offers, and whether it's worth buying. Let's get started. What is the Ninja CREAMi? The Ninja CREAMi is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to create ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls at home. It transforms frozen ingredients into smooth and creamy desserts in just a few minutes. One of the reasons the Ninja CREAMi is so popular is its versatility. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily create ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, and more. This allows you to enjoy a wide variety of frozen treats with minimal effort. Let's take a closer look at the Ninja CREAMi in action. What makes this machine stand out is how easy it is to use while still delivering impressive results. With just a few simple steps, you can create delicious homemade frozen treats that taste amazing and are fully customizable to your preferences. How does the Ninja CREAMi work? The process is surprisingly simple. First, add your ingredients to the container and freeze them for at least 24 hours. Next, place the container into the machine and select your preferred program. The Ninja CREAMi's unique Creamify technology transforms the frozen base into a smooth and creamy dessert in just a few minutes. The result is delicious homemade ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or other frozen treats with minimal effort. Another feature that makes the Ninja CREAMi stand out is its flexibility. You can customize your desserts with your favorite mix-ins, including cookies, chocolate, fruit, nuts, and candy. The machine also includes 7 preset programs, making it easy to create a variety of frozen treats with consistent results every time. This gives you endless possibilities to create desserts exactly the way you like them. Thank you for watching this review of the Ninja CREAMi ice cream maker. If you'd like to learn more about this product, check out the full article and product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.